Morning all! I'm in such a good mood this morning. I decided that I want to film me packing my orders. I have a ton of orders from this week and they're pretty diverse. I have to send out a painting, my usual print orders, and then I'm also sending out my very first limited edition print. It's huge. It's like, y'all will see it later in the video, but I just thought, why not show y'all how I package up all those things, and I just like sharing with y'all. My nail's missing. Please, just the whole video, don't look at it. It's so embarrassing. But I'm gonna go and make my coffee. I feel like that might be like the ritual of my vlogs, is make my coffee with me, and then we'll get started. But yeah, let me get into it real quick. Please don't mind my kitchen, it's a little messy. This is my coffee that I brewed and chilled, and look at it in all its glory. And then my favorite creamer, Dunkin' Donuts. Y'all know the drill. I feel like I should have an ad for Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, coffee's done. I made it really creamy on accident. I got excited to see like the cute, you know how it looks when it's all cute and the coffee creamer is going through the coffee. I am going to go into my room, into the studio, and I'm going to look at the inventory that we have and just get started unpacking these orders and show y'all my process. It's a little hectic, but it's my process and it works for me, so let's get into it. Uzi, say good morning to everyone. You're looking very dapper this morning. So, first things first, let's look at the orders that I have to fulfill this week. So we have quite a few to fulfill. We'll see if I have time to pack the painting today. I actually have a really busy schedule and I might not be able to do it on camera. I feel like that might be a bit much for today. Ooh, my order percentage was up 333%. 333. And then I go through and see what everyone got, make sure that the packaging is right. Wow, this girl got a lot of stuff. So what I like to do is I write all of my orders down and I check my inventory. Okay, cool. So here is my list of everything that I need to get printed out today. So first I print out the packing slips so that I can put all the orders together, and then I'll print out the shipping labels as well. So I have my list, so let's go print. Let me connect to my Rollo really quick. Now I'm going to cross-reference the little amount of prints that I have left with what I need and then print out whatever is left over. So let me just check that real quick. Now that I'm going through everything, I might actually have everything that I need. For the 12 by 16s, I have every single one except for 2. So I have to print those out. And let's go check on the 8 by 10s really quick. I need 1 election day print. I feel like I'm shopping. 1 election day print. 1 I don't know. Oh, 2 I don't knows. 1 multi, 1 Mona, 1 in the shadows, 1 pothead, and that's it. Okay, cool. So the only thing left I have to print out is 1 neglect and 1 feeling blue. So let's go print those out. The paper I use is from Staples. It's this heavy photo paper, and it's the 13 by 19, but I actually get it cut and sized at Staples at their print center. So this is how big it is originally, and then I get them cut to my 12 by 16 size. Okay, so here's my big box of packing supplies. Everything is super clean. I just washed my hands, no smudges. I'm gonna go through and sign anything that doesn't have my signature on it. So it looks like this. And I'm just going to go through and do that to all of them. My favorite changes a lot, I would say like on a weekly basis, but I think my favorite of the week right now is Moment. She's just so, I love her. I love that she has a very simple design, but I think that everything about her is really the texture. So yes, she's a good one. I'm going to take all of my prints very carefully, place them all right here. And then I have my packing slips and my shipping labels. I think I have about 10 today. And then take my prints and then we'll just lay them out to match. So this person got the Mona print, the balloon print, and the multifaceted print. Okay, big baller. Here's the 8x10 pothead. This person got the Moment print and the, I don't know, 8x10. And last one, we have multifaceted 8x10. Okay. This is a new box, but because I just ran out, but the 12 by 16s get rolled into these tubes, and then they also get a layer of glassine paper, which helps protect the print. And then the 8x10s are gonna go in these cardboard envelopes. So I'm gonna pack these up. So my normal prints are packed. Those are done. Now I have to pack that big limited edition print, so let me show y'all what it looks like. Here it is, a big one. It's just, I love it. This is my feeling blueprint, and this is the first print I've done at this size. So yeah, it's dope. I love this one. I'm gonna sign it really quick, and then I'll show y'all the certificate of authenticity that I'm gonna include with it. Perfect, perfect. And then just put it in. So this is the certificate of authenticity. So I'm just going to sign this, and that's it. So I'm gonna take this and put it in the tube with the print, and then it's just gonna go in here. It's a little snug, but it's okay. Everything fits good. I'm also gonna throw in one of my business cards. It's so cute. It has like a little drawing I did of myself, and then my QR code, and it says Landon Studio. I have miscalculated how long this would take me, and it's 3. And I have to go take the prints to the post office, and then I have to go run errands at Target because I have to clean my house, because this weekend I'm going to Joshua Tree for my best friend's birthday. So I'm going to wrap up the canvas next week on Monday when I get back, and I'll film that whole process so it's one continuous process. And okay, so I will see y'all on Monday. And I'm gonna try to record Joshua Tree. I think it'll be really fun to just like vlog it all, but yeah. Oh, so excited. But I will talk to y'all on Monday and I will see you soon.
Hey guys, so we're currently
Hey guys, so
we're at Joshua Tree National Park doing.
walking. What are we doing?
Just ruined the fucking scene.
You just randomly cut to me
because you
mid-sentence.
just have to be on it. Like you have to be like that.
Guys, don't fight on camera, please.
So Uma got me this hydro backpack. Wait, what's this backpack called?
It's called a
Solomon.
Salomon.
Salomon. Hey guys. So Uma got me a Salomon. I can't do this. Look at how pretty that rock is.
You're so scared.
We just wanted to survive, so we ended up here.
Okay. Alright. Climb or no climbing.
Nature did. God did.
God did.
God did.
Hey, careful.
Listen, we on the show Survivor. She's in the lead right now.
We are naked and afraid.
We ain't making it there.
We out here.
Ready?
Joshua Tree.
1, 2.
We out here surviving.
Just barely.
Surviving. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing.
Oh, oh, oh.
Your backpack's open.
Staying
Yeah.
alive.
Can you close it?
Staying alive. Oh. At first I was afraid. Oh, petrified. I like the song.
Great choice.
Hey y'all, I'm back from my trip. It has been a little while. It's not Monday, but I took some time off to rest because I got super sick. I'm still kind of sick, so if I sound like nasally or just like my voice sounds a little different, it's because I'm like, my sinuses are all over the place. But I have to pack up this painting, so let me show y'all the painting and how I pack it. So this is the piece. This is Amber. I painted her so long ago. She was one of the first paintings I did in the pandemic, and I did like a mini series. So there's two more. There's a jade and an amethyst. They're green and purple, but yeah, I have these on my website, and I don't really like to take stuff down just because it's older work. And someone bought it, and I was almost in shock because I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of forgot that these older paintings were up on my website. So someone went and ordered her, and it's just very nostalgic for me because I think my style is similar to this now, but this is so like simple. It just takes me back. So I'm really excited that she's going to a new home. So we're gonna pack her up and get her shipped out. She's already signed on the back. So I always sign them. And the first thing I'm going to do is wrap it in this paper here. This paper is kind of old, but I kind of like how it makes it seem like you're unpacking something that's really cool. So it's all wrapped up, and then I'm going to take bubble wrap with the bubbles. The bubbles always go on the outside, so bubbles face down. And so I'm gonna do 2 layers around here, 2 layers this way, and then 2 layers this way. So this is the front of the painting, and it feels pretty cushioned. If it doesn't feel that good, I'll go in with another layer of bubble wrap, but this feels pretty good. So I'm gonna put this to the side and then show y'all how I make the box. So I have my box. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, so I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can, but just stick with me, okay? So I got a large box from Home Depot, and it's just flat right now. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 2 halves. So I'm just gonna cut along here. And I have my, what are these called? Box cutters. And I'm just gonna cut this open on both sides. So now you have 2 boxes like this. So I'm gonna start with 1 half. This is gonna be the outside of the box. This is going to be the inside. So you have the main square, and then we're gonna mark flaps to fold up like this. So the height is about 2 inches. So I'm gonna take this off. So I made this notch. This is 1 corner of the painting. I'm just going to measure 2 inches out from that and make another notch. And then also 2 inches out this way. First cut, I'm gonna try to make it as straight as I can. So here's my 2-inch mark, and I'm going to measure across to the other mark that I made, and then just cut around and make the flaps. To get this to fold, you just lightly notch it. So I'll go from here to here, and you just lightly just make a little ridge, and then the cardboard will fold. So that's the first side of the box, and I'm just gonna go around the whole box and do the same thing. Okay, so here's the box. So you put the painting in and it fits perfect. So that's the bottom of the box. So you put the flaps up, and then we're gonna tape these corners together. And now we just have to repeat this on the other side. So now let's just close it up. So once you squeeze it in, it should be pretty snug, but this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna tape this around now. So that's just how I like to wrap my canvases. I know that there's pre-made boxes out there, but some of those boxes can go up to like $300 depending on the size you want. So I'm okay with just putting together a little box made of, you know, a moving box myself for, it literally costs like $2 to buy this box. This has been a really long recording process for this video, but I'm glad that I could show y'all what I did. So for my next video, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a get ready for the flea market with me. So I vend at a few markets in LA, so I'll show y'all like how I prep my products and all of my essentials and what you should bring with you if you want to be a vendor. So if you're interested in that video, that will be going out next week, hopefully, fingers crossed. I have to go before the post office closes, so until next time, y'all. Bye.